Good day, you beautiful people. For today's video, we're shooting with the Vivo X300 in Shanghai. Vivo flew us out to China for their Vivo X300 series event, where we got to touch and try their new flagships and take a peek at the new Origino S6 that's being launched globally. It was here, of course, that we got to see the Vivo X300 Pro with the famed photographer kit and the more compact Vivo X300, which I'm using in this video. Today, we test out the cameras of that Vivo X300 and sometimes even the Vivo X300 Pro on a day out in Shanghai. Before we start though, here's a quick look at what the base Vivo X300 has to offer. Walking and talking, we're shooting with the front-facing camera of the Vivo X300. So today is actually tour day. I'm pretty excited. I haven't been able to see Shanghai at all on this trip except for now. Let's go. CJ is shooting with the X300 Pro and the photography kit. So this is gonna be a vlog not just on the X300, but we're also gonna be checking out CJ's shot with the X300 Pro. Multitasking. By the way, it's 11:40 and my battery is at 97%. I fully charged this at 10 a.m. So this is 4K wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x, and you can zoom in up until 15x and then back to wide. This is insane. We're just walking around. There's so many things happening. The zooms on this phone, like it's quite smooth. You see that? You don't even notice that you're changing from one camera to the next. I love that. Anyway, welcome to the tech creator group. Everyone is just shooting with their phones. Like everyone. So you have two types of people on this trip. You have people with these cameras and you have people with those cameras. From what I'm seeing, how the video processes the zoom in, the punch in, punch out, they look good. Look at the focus on here. What's up, guys? Wide, zooming in. Look at all these guys taking photos of the bush. This is 5x, by the way. See? Zooming in more. 15x. There you go. Zooms aren't as crispy as on the Pro, but I have to say they're pretty good too. 3.8x and then back to wide. So we're just at lunch and CJ
Oh, I was moving.
CJ just got taught a camera mode that he absolutely will enjoy shooting with. I already know. So there is natural mode on the Pro, and what you see, that's gonna be how the camera will shoot the photo, no process. The Shanghai Tower, and it's raining, so can't really see anything, but we're still gonna check it out. I mean, what it is actually a really nice office. So it's really cool because this phone's flash sort of adjusts to photo, so you don't get that harsh flash and you get that really nice fill light. I was gonna try it with this view with the sunset because it would be the perfect opportunity, it'd be backlit and everything, but obviously we're not doing that, so. So since there is no view here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use AI. There is a feature. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just show you what the view looks like. I used a mode on this camera, and now I have a view actually. Oh my gosh. Let me show you how we did that. So I just turned AI and then you take a photo. You can see that it's still loading. You go to photo processing and view or generate. Oh no, where's my data? Yeah, you're gonna need data to do it. Because my internet failed me, let me show you again that feature. So all you need to do is turn on AI on portrait mode, and here it'll allow you to choose from periods, regions, seasons, creativity, and then after taking a photo, it will process your background and generate a whole different one. You see the difference between the actual background we're at and what the photo showed? It's pretty impressive. Anyway, back to the vlog. We came from up there. Look at that. This is 3.7x. Of course, I had CJ try out this AI feature on me with other different backgrounds, and here are more samples of that from the X300 Pro. Because of how nice the flash is on this phone, I was able to take a photo with the sign. So good. Look. Dinner is now done and we're off to find a nice cocktail bar. Ooh, wide. Yeah. I'm testing out one of the filters. It's called CCD Style. This should mimic 90s digicams. Let's test it out here. Absolutely love this filter on me. This is now my go-to for taking photos, but unfortunately in this set I had a photo bomber. No problem though, because AI Erase on this phone took care of that easily. Our vlog test using the Vivo X300. Of course, we also added in a number of photos and videos from the X300 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. I will also be shooting a separate vlog test on the X300 Pro, so stay tuned. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's @does_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.